Hello guys, welcome back to Special Creations by Nelly. If you would like to know how I made this beautiful princess carriage, stay tuned where I will show you how. If you would like to know where I got all my birthday supplies and decorations, I will put the link down below, so just go ahead and check it out. Please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I will be posting every week, so if you would like to see all my videos, please let's not forget to hit the little bell button so it can notify you every time I post a new video. So with that said, let's get started into this video. The first thing I did was grab 6 of these foam board. I'm going to go ahead and place them together, and I'm going to line them up straight, and then I'm going to grab tape and tape it just like that. So I'm going to continue doing this until I tape the whole thing just like that. Then I grab this tablecloth from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to go ahead and place it on top. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my pencil, and I'm just going to go ahead and make my circle. Then after I make my circle, I'm just going to go ahead and take my knife. I place a little mat so I don't want to mess up my floor, but then I'm going to go ahead and cut it out just like that. So I'm going to continue cutting the whole thing until it gives me a whole circle just like this one. Then go ahead and measure it to your table so you can see which one's going to be the center of your table. And then from there, just going to go ahead and make a straight line. Then I went ahead and grabbed my measuring tape, and I did it 5 inches apart from the circle. So I'm just going to go ahead from 5 inches and mark it there. And I'm going to continue marking all the way around to 5 inches. And I'm doing this to give me a guide. So then I'm going to just go ahead and keep marking them until I'm done with the whole thing. Once I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and grab my pencil and just bring the dot together. I connect them together all the way around until I'm done like that with the whole thing. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my knife, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut it through the line that I just did. And just like that, I'm going to continue cutting them. Then it will look just like this. Then you're going to go ahead and take the tape out. You're going to grab your hot glue, and we're going to attach them together with hot glue. Just like that, and attach them together. You're going to continue doing this until you do the whole thing. Just continue using your hot glue and attaching them together. Then I went ahead and grabbed this craft stick, and I'm just going to go ahead and place it on top to give the board some support. I'm going to do this all the way around, but make sure if you don't want this to show in the back, just go ahead and trace another layer and put it on top. Then I went ahead and grabbed this bling wrap, and I'm just going to place it at the edge of the board just like that. Then I went ahead and grabbed these cutouts and I'm just going to use my double-sided tape and attach it to the foam board just like that. If you would like to get these cutouts and the person's name and the crown, I will put this in my Etsy shop where you could purchase them. So then I just went ahead and attached it to my foam board. Then I grabbed my crown. I'm just going to go ahead and use my hot glue gun and attach it to the foam board on top just like that. So then I went ahead and grabbed these in Dollar Tree, and I got this one. These two I'm gonna attach them together, and this was gonna make my wheel. But before that, I just went ahead and spray paint them with gold, just like that. And this is how beautiful they turned out. Then I went ahead and grabbed my balloon stand. It's pretty simple to put together. And I'm going to go ahead and grab my balloons and inflate them. And then I grabbed this from my little girl toy box. And I'm just going to go ahead and measure it so all my balloons can be the same size. You could create this or make it yourself. It's pretty simple to do. So then after you do that, I'm going to grab these balloons connector. And I'm just going to go ahead and slide them down and then put it a little bit just like that. So I'm going to do this until I'm done to the whole thing. I will put the link down below where you can get all these supplies that I mentioned, the balloon stand and the columns and the pump. So then after I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and slide them down. It's pretty simple to put together. These are for beginners like me that don't know how to make a balloon column. This is a simple way to do it. Just like that. You're just gonna go ahead and keep sliding them down until you're done with the whole columns. Just like that. Then I went ahead and grabbed this balloon and attached another one to it. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and place it on top and just go around it to attach it. Then I grab this poster board. I'm gonna fold it just like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead, grab my scissor and cut it out. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and grab it and fold it just like that. And I'm gonna turn it around and cut that part out as well. Then after I cut it out, I'm gonna take my tape and attach it together. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and grab it and put it on top. And this is how beautiful everything turned out. I hope you guys like it and enjoyed this video. And if you did so, let's not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Please leave me a comment down below letting me know what you guys think of this birthday party decoration. Thank you for watching.